Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Today we're going to set our timer for 1 hour and do a power clean. This is my lunch break, so since I work at home, you get to see me in my lovely lounging clothes. Anyways, I hope this video gives you motivation to clean. If it does, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoy.
Wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head.
This table runner is a DIY that I did on my channel out of a tablecloth. I also did a DIY on the buffalo plaid rug using the same tablecloth. This cost next to nothing and was made with hot glue, and yes, months later it is still standing straight up, doing a great job. So if you haven't checked out that video, please go over there and check it out.
Thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if
Since this is a quick power hour, I am going to skip over the dishes. It's close to dinner time, although it is my lunch break. I work until late at night, so I am going to go ahead and skip the dishes for now and just wait for after dinner to get those done.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? I put my heart on the line through a phone in the night. No, I'm here by your side. So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. Cause I'm vibing with all we have.
As you can see, my little ones are getting off of the school bus after school. This is the time that they start asking for snacks. They also ask about 30 times each what's for dinner, and at this point, I don't even know.
All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster.
That is it for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed cleaning quickly on my lunch break. This is something that I do pretty much every other day. It just helps me to maintain a clean household. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up so that I know to make more in the future. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're aware when I post, and I appreciate you all for being here. See you in the next one.